say you want a leader, but you can't seem to make up your mind. I think you better close it and let me guide you to the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain, yeah, yeah. Purple rain, purple rain.
Sounds on Saturday is fun on Saturday.
Purple Rain from the Purple Ruler himself, Prince Rogers Nelson, simply known as Prince. He sorely missed, isn't he? DJ Hotcat, the cupcake from the Zambian Copper Belt. Thank you, as always. Changeto, may we have a reminder of the first quiz question for this week, please?
What single English sentence contains all the letters of the alphabet? What single English sentence contains all the letters of the alphabet?
Something in your eyes makes me wanna lose myself. Makes me wanna lose myself in your arms. There's something in your voice makes my heart beat fast. Hope this feeling lasts the rest of my life. If you knew how lonely my life has been and how long I've felt so low. If you knew how I wanted someone to come along and change my life the way you've done. Feels like home to me. Feels like home to me. Feels like I'm all way back where I come from. Feels like home to me. Feels like home to me. Feels like I'm all way back where I belong. A window breaks down a long dark street, and a siren wails in the night. But I'm alright, 'cause I have you here with me, and I can almost see through the dark there's light. If you knew how much this moment means to me, and how long I've waited for your touch. If you knew how happy you are making where I belong.
Sounds on Saturday with John, the boss.
My pal Chengeto Brown promised she was working on a country album just the other day, so hey, fingers crossed. I wouldn't put that past her, being a Texan girl and all that. It's gonna be brilliant. I hope Linda Ronstadt inspired you there with Feels Like Home.
Hello, Classic 263 family. Compliments of the new season. I hope you had a very great start to the year 2024. I hope it will bring us joy and prosperity to every member of the Classic 263 family. Hello Queen, hello John. I would like to thank you for granting me another opportunity to participate in yet another great competition. After previously awarding me a present, which was a bicycle in the previous competition. And also I'd like to thank the hot stepper who presented the bicycle to my son during my absence. Not to mention enough, you were also supportive during my exams last year. It wasn't easy being a student. You were my support. You supported me each step of the way during my exams. Our longest word of the day is pulmonary-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis, which is a lung disease caused by inhalation of ash and dust of the silica compound. This is your girl Precious Magaza signing out. Thank you.
With John the Boss.
Precious from Marlborough, you just have to wait until next week to see if everyone agrees with you about that being the longest word in the English dictionary. Meantime, I hope you enjoyed your song choice then, Kudakwashe by James Chimombe. Well, here's some more news from Rediva the Queen, herself currently in the Classic 263 Radio's Top 20 with her song Chinyakare.
It is another week for a crazy quiz question. Not in a bad way, okay? Here it goes. There is only one place in this world where, regardless of which direction you looked, except upwards, you'd be facing southwards. Let me repeat it for you. There is only one place in this world where, regardless of which direction you looked, except upwards, you'd be facing southwards. Please name the place. Actually, they say it is very popular. You can also email your answers to classics263radio@zbc.co.zw. Good luck, beautiful people. Prize winners and answers to be announced at the end of the month. Please let us connect on John on the Microphone on Facebook for Sounds on Saturdays full show links. We are also on YouTube, if you didn't know, at X with John_Microphone. Last but not least, thank you so much, Classics 263 Radio and Hot Stepper, for welcoming my song called Chinyakare. A very big thanks to you all and all my fans that are taking their time voting for it on Top 20. It's Redeemer the Queen. Appreciate him.
Shorty's love is like a pyramid. We stand together to the very end. There'll never be another love for sure. Ayaz Asharis, let we go.
Stones, heavy like the love you've shown, solid as the ground we've known, and I just wanna carry on. We took it from the bottom up, even in a desert storm, sturdy as a rock we hold, wishing every moment froze. No, I just wanna let you know.
Waves can shake us, cyclones can break us, hurricanes can take away your love.
Pyramid, it's on a solid rock. It feels just like it's heaven's touch. Together at the top, like a pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we never fall. Just keep on going. Forever we will stay like a pyramid.
Like a pyramid, yeah. Like a pyramid, like a pyramid, yeah. Like a pyramid, like a pyramid, yeah.
Cold, never ever when you're close. We will never let it fold. A story that was never told. Something like a mystery.
And every step we took, we grow. Look how fast the time has flown. A journey to a place unknown.
We're going down in history.
Waves can shake us, cyclones can break us, hurricanes can take
Away in love. It's on a solid rock. It feels just like it's heaven's touch. Together at the top, like a pyramid. And even when the wind is blowing, we'll never fall. Just keep it going. Forever we will stay like a pyramid.
like a pyramid, girl. I'ma show you that I love you so much that we gonna get through. Even when it storms, I will never go. I'ma be the one to keep you safe. 4 walls of love, packing more than enough. Holding on to one another, be the cover when it's rough. Mother nature, a disaster, won't stop a happy ever after.
Sounds on Saturday with John, the boss.
Wow, a real classic. Pyramid, sung by Charis featuring Ayaz. Thank you, Rediva, my friend in Josie. Let's find out where you will be on the Classic 263 Radio's Top 20 today, my friend, yeah? Speaking of friends, my friend Wadzi Garwe, who's in Italy, sent me an old picture of the group Earth, Wind and Fire, sporting their ridiculous bell-bottom trousers, wide lapel jackets and outrageous afros. And she says she sees a lot of me in that picture, given what I used to wear back in the day. You know what, Wadzi? How I so wish the resemblance extended to the bank balances as well.